There it is. Done deal. We also installed these cameras here a while back, side to side, so you can see what's going on your right, so you can see what's going on your left, behind, on top of the dump truck, and on the rear of the truck. Turns off and on with the key, and it also stays on, stays recording for a few hours. Alrighty, that's gonna be it. Pretty simple, done deal. If you guys got any trucks that you want me to do, hit me up. See, that's one of the side cameras. Side camera on top of the dump truck, right up top. You can see it kind of right there, and then on the rear of the truck. Let's go on to the next job. Let me know if you guys need help with any of your dump trucks or any kind of vehicle. We can help you guys out. Over and out.